Hi girls, it's Megha from PokeMates.com, and today I'm here with a video on the type of clutches in trend these days as we go to different parties, weddings and functions, and I want you to share my collection of clutches that will be really apt for different type of functions. And so let's start. First is my most favorite one, that's the Sportly clutch. I just love it to death. This is my most favorite clutch and it's my go-to clutch. Whenever I'm in doubt, I carry this. This is a Portly clutch which you can carry with the suit, anarkalis, saris. It looks beautiful with all the ethnic wears, and it's really spacious also. You can keep your mobile, your money and all the necessary things in this. It has really a good amount of space, and when you have to go to your family functions where you have to really dance and all, so you need something which you don't have to carry on your hand. So this has this two belts like structure which you can really keep inside your hand like this, and then you can dance easily. So this is a really multi-purpose clutch, and I would really suggest you to go for at least one type of Portly bag. It is a really versatile one and it looks so beautiful and unique. Next clutch is this type of bob clutch. I am sure you must be having one of these. These are really in trend these days, and these are actually not spacious. These are basically to make a style statement. As you can see, this is really small, and if you have a really small phone, then you can keep it inside. Otherwise, it has a really small space. But you can keep your necessary essentials like your money or your compact powder, kajal, and all the necessities. But this looks really beautiful in weddings, and I have this one from Lavi, and it has this beautiful bronze and silver kind of texture. So this goes with all the party outfits, all the saris, all the suits, and I really like this. So you should really invest in one of the box clutches. The next one is this envelope clutch. You must have spotted Shilpa Shetty and Twinkle Khanna and all the celebs sporting this kind of envelope clutch. This is in really trend these days, and it is basically a big clutch, and it's really spacious. This one is from Hot Curry, and it's like this. You can keep inside, it has a lot of space. You can keep all your essentials in this, and this one is really apt for the day functions, like you are going for a bridal shower, or morning function like haldi bath, haldi function, puja function, something like that. This is really apt for that. I carry this with my all the suits and saris for the day function, and this looks really stylish. The next one is this beautiful rose clutch. Now this is not very common, but this is really unique. I got it from Shoppers Stop Hot Curry, and I really love it. This is just for a style segment, to be honest, because it has really small space inside, you can see, but this is so elegant and classy for your dinner parties, dinner date with your boyfriend or your husband, and with that flowy gowns and all, this looks really nice. I got it for my honeymoon, and I paired it with my gowns, and it looked really classy. So this type of rose clutch is really in trend, and this type of clutch really makes a style statement. Next one is this silk texture kind of clutch. This is from Fab India, and this looks really beautiful with suits and saris. It has this silk Banarsi kind of fabric, and at the back it has the silk fabric. It has a lot of space. And this looks really beautiful with, again, suits, saris. I pair it for the day functions again, and this looks really nice. So this is the silk clutch which you can really go for. These are really unique and really beautiful. Another type of clutch is this basic classic clutch, and this you can pair with almost anything. This is from Baguette, and I carry it whenever I am wearing a western wear, or I carry it also with my dark ethnic wears. This looks really beautiful, and you should at least have one classic clutch because it's really multi-purpose. Whenever you are in doubt, you can carry these. These are not for parties. These are for more for dinners and all. These are basically classic clutches, so you should really have one classic clutch. I would suggest that. So girls, this was all about clutches this season. Gone are the days when clutches were just for carry things. Now you can make a style statement with these pieces. I hope you liked this video. Meet you next on a very interesting video. Give a thumbs up to this video and do subscribe my channel. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.